10 words a day for beginners. Long, long. They had a long and happy marriage. I've been waiting a long time. Down, down. Is this elevator going down? Don't look down, you'll get dizzy. Day, day. Have a good day. He runs 5 miles every day. Did, did. Did you do your homework? Why did you do that? Get, get. Don't get mad. He went to the store to get milk. Come, come. He didn't come to school. Come to visit me this Sunday. Made, made. My mom made tacos for lunch. Running made him tired. May, may. May I ask you a question? Yes, you may. Part, part. Part of my steak isn't cooked properly. Unfortunately, accidents are part of life. Over, over. My steak is overcooked. It is not over yet.